Hey guys, Julie here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 3 simple Halloween treats. My daughter and I made festive popcorn, cheesy ghosts, and mummy brownies. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. The first treat we made was the festive popcorn in a pan. And once it's melted, we will put 3 cups of mini marshmallows in here. And melt it. And as soon as the last marshmallow is melted, we need to quickly pour it over the popcorn. And it's like around 10 cups of popcorn.
It's very good.
So it's starting to melt.
Looks very delicious. Stop recording me now.
And then after we pour it in here, most of it at least, then we're going to put it on a foil covered baking sheet.
Okay, so we're having a bit of a trouble with stirring this.
Ouch, and it's hot.
So, yeah. Now we're pouring it onto that thing. This is very good.
Okay, so that was not the easiest thing to do. It's like making Rice Krispie treats. It's kind of like messy. But after you have it laid out on a pan, then you can sprinkle it with M&Ms or whatever you would like. And we're also going to do sprinkles.
These are not
Now, we were trying to find like purple, green, and blue to make it really festive, but we couldn't find that. I would put more.
More like these?
Mm-hmm. For the second treat for the mummy brownies, you're going to want brownies that have already been cooled. Boiler going because we're going to melt some white chocolates. And we are going to be using brownies. We have a pan of brownies over here.
Which I made.
Which Gracie did make.
Have some in there.
I'd give it another minute. So the white chocolate is melted. And now we're going to put it into a plastic bag. Can you hold this?
Of course.
This last idea is just ghost string cheese using a permanent marker. These would be really cute for a class party or to throw in a lunchbox or even an after-school snack.